Hey team, welcome back to Luxy Duck. Today I'm going to be using an all-natural solution, kind of like a soft scrub solution to clean my bathrooms today. I'm going to show you how I use it. And it's made with some baking soda and some Castile soap and a little bit of water. And that's all I use. And I use it to scrub my sinks and showers and bathtub. So let's get into it. I'm going to do about a half a cup of baking soda, and it's just like a big box that I found. So put that in here, and about like a quarter cup, maybe about a little bit less, of the Castile soap. I have all different scents of this. I use it for lots of different things. You can use it basically to clean anything. I've even used it to wash my cars. And this one is the orange scent. It's like citrusy. It smells really good. So it makes my whole bathroom smell really good. And then I just put like about a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna mix it up, and you're gonna see it's becoming like a little paste. Like a thick paste. It smells so good and fresh. I also have the soap in like a peppermint scent. It smells really good. And what other one do I have? I think I just have like the unscented one as well. And then I get like a little scrubber like this that is kind of like more rough, but make sure it's soft enough that it's not going to scratch any of your sinks or bathtubs or anything like that. So I made my solution, I've got my scrubber, and we're gonna go ahead and clean my bathroom because it's a disaster. Okay, see you there.
You can't come around just as you please. Pretend to wear your heart on the sleeve, claiming to have found this inner peace. I just count the minutes till you leave, and you can't ride through town wearing your excuses on your head like a crown. You can't leave. Your woman, this bird is free. You can play the hero, the gallant knight, on the widest stallion you can find. I just see a zero that's being polite, one easily put. And you can drive through town wearing nothing but your fake smile, looking like a clown. You should leave it be, 'cause I'll never be your woman. This bird is free. Can't ride through town wearing your excuses on your head like a crown. You can beg and you can plead, but that don't mean nothing in this goddamn world to me. You should let it be, 'cause I'm not your woman. No, I'll never be your woman. This bird is free. lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right, lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck, send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard.